If you're experiencing issues with PUBG multiplayer not working, follow these steps to troubleshoot and enhance your gaming experience. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and has sufficient speed. You can test your connection by running a speed test or trying to connect to other online services. Step 2. Update the game. Make sure that you have the latest version of PUBG installed. Check your game platform Steam, Xbox, PlayStation for any available updates and install them. Step 3. Restart your device. Sometimes, simply restarting your gaming device can resolve connectivity issues. Turn off your console or PC, wait a few moments, and then turn it back on. Step 4. Adjust network settings. If you're still having trouble, try adjusting your network settings. This may include switching from Wi-Fi to a wired connection, changing your DNS settings, or enabling UPnP in your router settings. Step 5. Verify game files. If you're playing on PC, use the Game Platforms feature to verify the integrity of the game files. This will check for any corrupted or missing files and replace them as necessary. By following these steps, you should be able to enhance your PUBG multiplayer experience and resolve any connectivity issues. Happy gaming!